Choo choo, chugga 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 choo choo. I need both hands for my weapon. I can't wield that yet. I don't have that ability yet. That ability isn't ready yet. I can't do that yet. Not ready yet. They can't join our group. I can't put that there. That bag is full. Join the slaughter. Help me attack. Rend flesh with me. For the Forsaken. Power to the Forsaken. Wicked. Congratulations. It's always somebody else. Well, aren't you lucky? Today certainly is your day. Run! Move your carcass! Nice butt. One good thing about being dead, biological clock seems to have stopped. Us undead girls really know how to have a good time. Because after all, what's the worst thing that could happen? I can't wait to suck the juice out of your eyeballs. I don't care that much about romance. I fell in love before, and look what happened to me. I don't need to get funky. I'm already there. This way. Follow! Goodbye. It's been real. Good luck. Heal me! Bind my wounds. Hello. Hi there. Hey. Need your help. Help me! Danger! Incoming! No. Not on your life. I don't think so. Fire! Open fire! I need mana. My mana is exhausted. I'd paint my toenails, but I'm not sure where they fell off. Yes, they're real. They're not mine, but they're real. I'm in a rotten mood. This stinks. You know, once you're dead, nothing smells bad anymore. Rotten eggs, no problem. Dead fish, like a spring breeze. You don't need deodorant when you don't have any armpits. Ah, doornails. I heard a knee slapper once and skipped my kneecap right across a lake. Thank you. Gee, thanks. How generous. Stay here. Don't move. Yes. Why not? I suppose so. Anytime. This doesn't mean I like you. I can't do that here. I can't drop that. That's bound to me. I'll never be able to equip that. I'm not a high enough level to use that. I can't use that yet. My skill level isn't high enough to equip that. I can't learn that spell. I can't loot that. I can't trade that. I can't use that. I can't loot that right now. I don't have a target. I need to target something first. I need a target. I can't do that. I'll need permission first. I can't attack that target. I can't attack that. Inventory is full. I can't carry any more. I can't use that item yet. It's not ready yet. It's still recharging. It's locked. I can't carry any more of those. I can't loot that. That would be stealing. I need to get closer. Too far away. I can't reach that. I'll need to equip that to use it. That's not equipped yet. I'm out of ammo. Not enough energy. I don't have enough energy. Not enough mana. I need more mana. My mana is low. Not enough rage. Need more rage. That's not a bag. I don't have enough money. I can't afford that. It's too expensive. I can't equip that. It's too far away. I'm out of range. I need to get closer. We can't invite anyone else. I can't drink anymore yet. I can't use that yet. That spell isn't ready yet. I can't cast that yet. That's still recharging.